A lot of clients can't quite explain it. They just feel it. They've talked to people, they've gathered information, they've done their homework, and yet something feels off. That feeling usually isn't intuition, it's missing structure. Most advice comes in pieces, so clients end up holding fragments of information with no clear way to connect them. They sense there's a gap, but they don't know where it is or how big it might be. That's why Barndominium projects often feel uncertain, even when things seem like they're moving. Confidence doesn't come from collecting more opinions, it comes from seeing how the pieces actually fit together. When the full picture is clear, that uneasy feeling disappears. Decisions make sense. The path forward feels solid, and that's what clients are really looking for, not answers in isolation, but clarity as a whole. You know you want one. I'm the Barndo Chick. Click the link.